What should I invest in today?
Picture this. You wake up in the morning, grab your phone, and instead of calling your financial advisor, you simply ask ChatGPT, "What should I invest in today?" In less than 10 seconds, it scans thousands of news articles, company reports, and market updates, and gives you a clear answer. No emotions, no panic, no greed. But here's the big question. Can ChatGPT really manage your investments better than a human financial advisor? And if yes, what does that mean for the future of investing, wealth building, and even the global stock markets? Let's dive in. Welcome back to the channel, friends. Today, we're exploring one of the hottest and most controversial topics in finance and technology: AI versus human investing. In this video, we'll cover what ChatGPT can actually do for investors where AI beats humans, and where it fails, real examples of AI in action on Wall Street, and finally, whether you should trust AI with your hard-earned money. Stay with me till the end, because the answer might surprise you. Let's set the stage. For decades, investing has been dominated by humans, advisors, analysts, and fund managers. They read company reports, studied charts, followed CNBC, and used years of experience to make calls. But the last 10 years have changed everything. In 2010, algorithmic trading became mainstream. By 2015, robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront were managing billions. In 2020, hedge funds like Renaissance Technologies started using advanced AI. And in 2023, ChatGPT made powerful AI accessible to everyday people. Now, anyone with an internet connection can ask ChatGPT, "Should I buy Tesla stock? Explain Bitcoin's future in simple terms." Or even, "Make me a portfolio for retirement." So, is this the end of human advisors? Or just the beginning of a new era? What ChatGPT can do in investing? First, let's look at what ChatGPT is actually capable of. Bar chart: it can analyze thousands of financial reports instantly. Newspaper: it can summarize market news from around the world in seconds. Chart increasing: it can explain complicated terms like derivatives or quantitative easing in plain English. Briefcase: and it can even build sample portfolios based on your goals. For example, if you type, "I want a balanced portfolio with 60% stocks, 30% bonds, and 10% crypto, low risk," ChatGPT can design one instantly. That's like having a free personal financial analyst available 24/7. Strengths of ChatGPT versus humans. Now let's compare AI with human advisors. White heavy checkmark: speed: ChatGPT can scan 10,000 reports in the time a human reads one. White heavy checkmark: cost: human advisors often charge 1 to 2% of your portfolio per year. ChatGPT: free or just a small subscription fee. White heavy checkmark: availability: AI doesn't sleep, doesn't take weekends off, and never gets emotional. White heavy checkmark: unbiased: no personal bias, no commission-based conflicts of interest. Think about it. Humans get greedy when markets rise and panic when markets crash. AI doesn't. That alone gives ChatGPT a huge edge in staying rational. Where ChatGPT fails in investing, but hold on, AI isn't perfect. Here's where it falls short. Crossmark: no real-time access. ChatGPT doesn't automatically track livestock prices unless connected to external plugins. Crossmark: no human intuition. Experienced traders sometimes make gut decisions that AI can't replicate. Crossmark: no accountability. If your advisor gives bad advice, you can complain or even sue. But if ChatGPT is wrong, who takes responsibility? Crossmark: data limits. AI only knows what it's trained on. It doesn't know the future. For example, during the 2008 financial crisis, many human advisors told clients, "Don't sell in panic, stay invested." Would ChatGPT have done the same? Hard to say. So while ChatGPT is powerful, it isn't a total replacement for humans. At least, not yet. Looking ahead, the future is both exciting and risky. Pushpin predictions. By 2025, over 50% of hedge funds may use AI daily. By 2030, AI-powered robo-advisors could manage trillions of dollars worldwide. Pushpin opportunities. AI can democratize investing, making high-level analysis available to ordinary people, not just Wall Street elites. AI could reduce costs, making investing cheaper and more accessible globally. Pushpin risks. If everyone uses AI and gets the same advice, markets could become unstable. AI can be hacked or manipulated. Imagine a bad actor training AI to promote certain stocks. Ethical concerns? Who controls the AI's advice? You, the company, or governments? Here's a scary scenario. What if ChatGPT 6.0 recommends the same stock to millions of users at once? That single suggestion could shake entire markets. So, can ChatGPT manage your investments better than a human? The answer is yes and no. White heavy checkmark for data-driven analysis, low cost, and unbiased suggestions. AI is unbeatable. Crossmark, but for emotional guidance, accountability, and human intuition, humans still matter. The smart investor will do this. Use AI like ChatGPT as a powerful tool, but don't rely on it blindly. Combine it with human wisdom and personal judgment. At the end of the day, money isn't just numbers. It's also emotions, psychology, and trust. Backhand index pointing right. What do you think? Would you trust ChatGPT with your investments? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into AI and investing, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future updates. Until next time, invest smart and invest safe.